today we are replacing that, well, with a new one. We bought new lights. So the casing behind them, pretty rough. What is good is the lens. Now they are yellow and they're scratched real bad. But we are going to be turning those into a shiny one like that. We're going to take the lens off of this, clean it up, put it in the car. We'll bring you guys along for the ride. Hello my fellow primates and welcome to another Octane Monkey video. Today we are working again on the G35. Feels like we work on this car far too much. And again, we are working on headlights. So if you remember, we had this cracked headlight here that we sort of polished up in the last video, but we didn't kind of finish. So today we are replacing that with, well, with a new one. We bought new lights, but they're in pretty rough shape. So the casing behind them, pretty rough. This is the old light, which has a really good back and base with tabs not broken. So we're going to be using that and replacing this broken lens with this new one. There's 3 screws on the corner. And heat up the edges. Gluey mess. This one's a bit cracked, and I think the one on our old light is in better shape, so I think we'll steal it from the other one and just use just the lens from this one. Wait till you see how clean this is at the end. You're gonna be blown away. It's pretty bad. The inside is pretty good. It's just, I'm just gonna give it a little polish just to take anything that was in there. That's just these 2 screws. Oh, it's so sticky. Alright, there's the inside of the lens, so we got that out. Pop that back in on the new one. Just those 2 screws. So, the reverse process. Just want to get it lined up a bit. Stick it in. Alright, so that is mostly pressed back together. We're just going to heat it up and really get it sucked in. Alright, now for the crazy part. Since we have it all back together, getting this thing looking brand new again. So I'm just going to start with giving it a break. And it has some serious scratching here, like really serious. So I think we're going to start like really aggressively on this. 180. Pretty bad right there. See the layer of yellow coming off, which is great. We still have some really deep stuff in here. I'll come back to you because this is gonna take a while. So we started with 180 grit. We're gonna work our way up to 320, 500, 600, 1,000, 2,500, 5,000, and then we're gonna finish off with a polishing, like buffing color. There are some deep scratches that we're not gonna be able to sand out because they're too far, but they're gonna be little imperfections in what will overall be like a fairly clear, shiny thing, so they're gonna look really good. So now it's just a matter of working through all those steps and getting sanded. You can see here where it's like dull, and then on this side where it's been polished, so it's definitely better. You can see what I mean about the really deep scratches that we didn't get out because they just were really deep. So the nice thing is you can just go through, and if you see stuff or too much stuff, like here there's some pretty good scratches, we can go at it again and go deeper, and we don't have to do 180. We can go down to like something even heavier, which might be worth doing just based on how many scratches are still in this, but you almost need to get it to this gloss stage before you can see what you're working with. So, but either way, it's a huge improvement from where we started. So this is the before, and this one arguably was slightly better than the after. It's definitely improvement. You know, it was yellow before, it had a lot of scratches and just junk on it. Now it's still, you know, it's still got a few, it's not perfect. But it's certainly way better. And we got the yellow out of it, so I think we're gonna get that back in the car and call that a win. Well guys, thanks for watching another episode of Octane Monkey Garage. We're gonna get this thing back down off the lift on the road. It's actually going up for sale. This video probably won't come out in any time irrelevant for it. But yeah, G35 is gonna be gone. If you haven't been following us on Instagram, Porsche, kind of what's replacing it. The Miata's gone too. Well, actually, the Miata got replaced by the Porsche. G35, we're getting a truck. So we can pull the drift car. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Do you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.